Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Reflect Flow wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for any reason. Maybe they're not connecting to your phone, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud is not working, or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you can't get it fixed or you decide you just want new earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a good set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the second reason that you might want to do this reset is if you just want to, for whatever reason, delete all the pairing history off of here and everything like that. Just so we can set these earbuds up like they're a new set of earbuds. We can do this really simply. We just need to have our earbuds in the case so that they're charging. Make sure they're seated properly. And we're just going to come in and on the right earbud, we're just going to press and hold this right earbud for 5 seconds. And after about 5 seconds, it will blink and the earbuds will reset to their factory default. And you can go ahead and set them up like they're just coming out of the box new.